Hello there, how are you doing? So in this video, we're going to learn about JavaScript data types. So anytime you want to learn any programming language, not just JavaScript, any programming language, you want to learn about the data types. That's the first thing you want to learn. Okay, so talking about JavaScript data types, there are 6 data types. It was 5, and then with ES6, ECMAScript 6 added one more, which is called symbol. So it's total 6. Okay, so let's go through them one by one, but we're not going to explain everything in this video. We're going to cover them slowly in the coming lessons. All right, so what are those types? The first one, Boolean. Okay, Boolean is a true or false. It returns true or false. Okay, Boolean is one data type. Another one is null. Null is a kind of a undefined object. It's an empty object. Okay, we're going to learn more about it in the next coming videos. Undefined is the one we just saw. We declared a variable, and unless we initialize variable with some sort of value, it is undefined. It's a default value is given undefined. Okay. The next one is number. Number is another data type in JavaScript. Okay, and then another one is string, the one that you are most likely use all the time. String, you write a string with the quotation marks and put everything in between. That's string. And then the new one is a symbol, which is added in ES6. All right, so these are the data types that JavaScript has. And in later on, now it might not feel very important, but later on you will realize you need to determine the data type of a given variable when you're programming in JavaScript. So how do you do that? You can determine the data type using the operator called Typeof. So Typeof operator helps us determine the data type. Okay, so let's create a variable. Variable message equals to hello world, and so now we declared a message variable, and then we want to know what is the data type of this one. Okay, that's easy. So what we're going to do is we can do console log. We can do alert as well. Let's try alert this time. So alert is similar to actually alert we used in the very beginning, right? Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's fun as well. So let's use Typeof operator. You just use Typeof before the variable or function or whatever you want to apply this method to. Okay, so all of Typeof, you want to find out the type of message, right? Okay, so this is how we do it. This is how we determine the data type. Okay, so all of Typeof. So let's see what we see on the screen. Refresh, string. Okay, that's great. So it says that the message variable, the data type is string. All right, that's great. Let's change this to number. Let's see what happens. In fact, let's reinitialize this variable. Message equals to 100. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now it's a number. Awesome. So that's how you can determine the data type, and you also learn about the JavaScript data types. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.